Here we are going to know about 5 top most beautiful birds of planet. Number 1. Peacock. Peacock is the most beautiful bird in planet. When the peacock spread its colorful feather, then it's look very beautiful. And that's why it's called the most beautiful bird in the planet. Number 2. Golden pheasant. The bird looks very beautiful because of its color. The color combination of this bird obviously will surprise you. Number 3. Rainbow lorikeet. The word rainbow in their name. Lories have a set of multicolored feathers in vibrant shades of red, cobalt blue, green, orange and yellow. Number 4. Keel-billed toucan. It's a nice bird with its big beak. Number 5. Great bird of paradise. Subscribe us, and visit our channel to watch more from us. Thank you.